foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Tiramisu. This is a beautiful delicacy and I have not used egg or alcohol in this recipe. So let's jump right into the video and check out the ingredients. Super easy, super tasty recipe, guys. So I have these lady fingers. You will get that in the store in cookie section. So check out the lady fingers for tiramisu. This is a chocolate bar. Any chocolate bar is fine. I am just going to use a little bit of chocolate for on the topping. I have a small medium size heavy cream. I am not going to use the entire pack. We have cocoa powder, which is again for the topping. We will use that for sprinkling. We don't need much of it. We will use 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. This is mascarpone cheese. I'm going to use the entire pack and entire container. We will use half a cup of white sugar. You can use cane sugar or any type of sugar you like. And this is nothing but coffee. I have taken 4 tablespoons of dark coffee and added hot water, about 1.5 cup of hot water. And once the mixture was normal temperature, I kept it in the fridge for 15 minutes. And I have also added 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, but that sugar is optional. If you want to just have dark coffee mixture ready, just add coffee and sugar, coffee and water. But I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's get started. Let's add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And half a cup of sugar. Get the hand mixer and start beating. We have to get this to soft bake. Let's add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, maybe 2, because I'm going to make in a larger quantity. Let's add the mascarpone cheese. If you do not find that in your store, you can add cream cheese, but in traditional recipe we gotta add this mascarpone cheese. So I'm going to add the entire pack. Alright, so my cheese is in there. Now let's beat to get the hard bakes. Alright, as you can see, this is hard bakes now. This cream mixture is completely ready. We are going to simply get the lady fingers. Alright, so all 3 ingredients are here. I have my cream cheese mixture, I have my sugar, coffee ready here, and I have lady fingers. So now, as I mentioned, get the hot water in the coffee and sugar and once it's set to room temperature, put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. We need this black coffee as a cold liquid. So now the fun part, even your kids can do it or anybody can do it. So dip the lady finger few seconds each side and place it in your pan. So real quick, we do not want to soak it completely. Let it absorb all the coffee flavor just for that few seconds each side. Okay, so I'm trying to see how much space I have, and I can add 4 more here. So I'm gonna dip them and place it. The first layer is ready. Let's evenly spread our cheese. Completely ready. We are just going to keep it covered and keep it in the refrigerator after we put the second layer. So these 24 lady, this looks really nice. Try to smooth out the surface, and if you see any extra, just wipe it later. Anyways, we are not going to keep it as is because we are adding the chocolate powder, the cocoa powder. Awesome. Let me just wipe out or clean all the messy edges, and then we are going to sprinkle some cocoa powder. Alright, so I have cleaned out all the edges. Now 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and half a tablespoon of sugar. So now we are getting the strainer. Simply going to sprinkle this. Look at this, guys. Looks so beautiful already. Make sure to cover all the white portion of the cream cheese. And get the thinnest grater. This is the thinnest one which I have, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it just for that extra chocolatey kick. So again, I have taken just 2 pieces of chocolate. Now let me clean these edges again, and going to cover this with the cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for about 6 to 7 hours. Overnight would be amazing. Next day morning, or if you want to have this dessert party ready, then you can do it in the morning and it's set for 7-8 hours. You can enjoy it in the evening. So now this is all ready. As you can see, I'll show you when it's ready. I'm gonna cut the piece for you and show you how it looks. And I noticed that I'm running out of my cling wrap, so I'm just using the foil paper, the foil wrap, just something to keep it covered so that moisture doesn't get in. It's good. I would recommend 7 to 8 hours. That would be a perfect thing to do. So I'm going to set this overnight and try it in the morning. And here you go, after 7 to 8 hours of keeping it in the fridge. Look at this layering. The coffee ladyfingers are just in the middle and the bottom, and the cheese mixture is perfectly layered. I'm going to plate this and show you. And look at this gorgeous tiramisu ready for us. And I hope you like this recipe and going to give it a try at home. Super easy, super tasty recipe. No egg, no alcohol used here, and there is no compromise on the taste as well. So I hope you like this recipe. Please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. See you next time in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.